Hello everyone! In this session, I will talk about how to set off fireworks in Minecraft using C# programming. And I will also introduce you to traditional Japanese fireworks festival. I will introduce myself. My name is Takumi Okawa and my nickname is Technology. I am a student at Nihon University. My hobby are C# programming, Azure, and play the Minecraft. My activities are MLSA, a Minecraft with Code project, and creating libraries for Minecraft programming. The Minecraft with Code project is a project that combines programming and Minecraft to create new contents. I also write books and blogs. Before talking about Minecraft, I will introduce the fireworks culture in Japan. I will also show you a video of a fireworks festival and a demonstration of how to make a C# program to set off fireworks with Minecraft. First, let's take a look at the fireworks festivals in Japan. In Japan, fireworks festivals are held every year from July to September all over the country. Fireworks technicians shoot off fireworks that they have made over the course of a year, and compete with each other in terms of beauty and performance. The most famous fireworks festivals are the Omagari no Hanabi in Akita Prefecture, the Tsuchiura All Japan Fireworks Festival in Ibaraki Prefecture, and the Nagaoka Fireworks Festival in Niigata Prefecture. These are called the three major fireworks festivals in Japan. In Asakusa, where I live, the Sumida River Fireworks Festival is held. This is the oldest traditional fireworks festival in Japan, said to have been held since 1773. In the past, the Sumida River was called the Okawa River, but that has nothing to do with my last name. At the time, this fireworks festival was called Ryogoku no Hanabi, and were set off to pray for safety and driving away evil spirits. The scenes at this time is described in a painting by Hiroshige Utagawa. I will show you a video of the Sumida River Fireworks Festival that I took 4 years ago. Please be careful of the sound of exploding fireworks. How was it? The event was to have been held this year too. But fireworks festival has been cancelled by COVID-19. More than half of the nearly 1,000 fireworks festivals, including smaller ones, have been cancelled. I thought about how we enjoy the fireworks. So I decided to use Minecraft. Currently in Japan, people are told to avoid going out and getting together with other people. So, using Minecraft multiplayer, it is possible to enjoy a fireworks festival with everyone online. It is also possible to share your impressions by using the chat and the call. Now, let's think about how to set off fireworks in Minecraft. To set off fireworks in Minecraft, you need to create a fireworks rocket. To make fireworks rockets, you also need dyes, gunpowder, and other items. To set off fireworks, you need a dispenser and a button to trigger it. A button is attached to the dispenser, and when the button is pressed, the fireworks can be set off. But it's a bother. It's hard to collect the items needed to make fireworks. There are some useful commands in Minecraft. So, how do you execute the command to set off fireworks? It's easy because you don't have to collect any items. But it's so difficult. The command is too long and the day is over. So, I created a library that allows you to easily execute Minecraft commands. That is the Minecraft Connection library. Using this library, you can execute Minecraft commands from a C# program. It's still in the process of being built, but I have created function to set off fireworks. For example, a program to set off fireworks can be written like this. Before running the program, start up the Minecraft server. Execute the command on the remote console using the server's address, port number, and password. In the program, instantiate the Minecraft commands class with these configuration values in its constructor. Get the coordinates and create fireworks instances for set off the fireworks and use the set off fireworks method to execute them. Now, let me show you a demonstration. The first step is to create a project. In this case, I will use the C# console application to create the program. I named the project Minecraft Fireworks. The target framework is used as default. In this video, it is .NET 5. Using the package manager console and install Minecraft connection. Add Minecraft connection to the using directive. Create an instance of the Minecraft commands class using the address, port number, and password of the Minecraft server. The next step is to get the player's position. The player data is contained in the getPlayerData method. Next, create an instance of the fireworks class. In the constructor, set the time for the fireworks to explode, the shape of the fireworks, the explode color, and the fade out color. Execute the set of fireworks method using the fireworks instance and the coordinates you want to set off. When you run the program, the fireworks will be set off in Minecraft. The wait method can be used to adjust the time interval. Add the flicker method to make it sparkle and the trail method to see the light trails. You can make your fireworks more beautiful by using shader packs. I like to use BSL shaders. You can also use a random method to make it look more like a real fireworks festival. For example, you can randomize the coordinates or randomize the color of the fireworks. It is also possible to shoot off many fireworks using the iterative process. Using the Minecraft connection library, you can execute Minecraft commands from a C# program. In the demonstration, I set off fireworks, but you can also build houses, place torches, and do many other things. I want to use the tools to connect Minecraft and C# programming, and I hope many people will play with them. Please try using the Minecraft connection library, which can also be executed in Azure Functions. Here is a reference link to the images on the slide. Thank you for watching my presentation.